Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna make a quick review for the new band from Huawei, which is Huawei Band 8. So as we can see guys, Huawei Band 8 it comes in same size of the Band 7, but the only thing here, the Band 8 it comes with sharp edges. It's not curved. Unlike the Band 7, it's slightly different. If you will check the Band 7, it's a little bit curved from the sides here, but the Band 8 is flat or flat edges or sharp edges, as you can see. If we talk about the dimension here, so the Huawei Band 7 it comes with 8.99, this is the thickness, and the screen size here is 1.47 inch, and it comes with 194 by 368 pixels. So the resolution here is quietly good, like it's not bad at all. Actually, comparing to the Band 7, the Band 8 is totally having more brightness, and also it has 282 pixels per inch. And by the way, the screen here it comes with the AMOLED, so the colors will be very sharp, and also it's easy to read the messages and notification as well. And the weight for the Band 8 here guys, it's only 14 grams, but for sure without the strap. Talking about the strap here, as we know that the Band 7 it was coming with different type of straps. The way even to remove the strap in Band 7 it was different than Band 8. As you can see, Band 8 is more similar to Watch Fit 2. The way you change the strap here, it's similar to the Watch Fit. So for sure, since the strap here it's removable, so you can replace it with another color. So that's good thing. So you can buy the black color, and if you want to put green strap or red strap, so easily you can change it. And if you talk about the functions here for the Band 8, it's almost the same like exactly the Band 7. So you have the workout mode, and the workout mode here it has more than 100 workout mode, from outdoor running, indoor running, outdoor walk, indoor walk. So all of this workout you can find it in the Band 8. Plus also you can add more workout if you will go here, so you can see a lot of workout. It's more than 100 workout mode guys. So as you can see here, we have all the footballs, handball, basketball. So all of this are available in the Huawei Band 8. So you can adjust or customize this workout mode as you wish. Plus also the records will be saved here, the workout status, and also if we'll talk about the health management, so we have here the heart rate. So the watch comes here with the new True Scene 5.2. So the sensor here guys are very accurate, so if you will check your heart rate, for sure it will give you the true measurement. Plus also we have the SpO2, which easily the watch can check your oxygen level in the blood, so it will tell you exactly the accurate details. As well as you can see, the sensors here are working perfectly. Plus also we have the activity record and the sleep record as well. For example, if you will wear this Band 8 when you are sleeping, so after you wake up, so you will see here how many hours did you sleep, and if it was like deep sleeping or light sleeping, and how many times during the night you open your eyes or you just wake up. So this all will be coming in this report. Plus also it will all of this information will be transferred to your phone. Plus also you have here the stress level, the breathing exercise, and the music. But the music here, you cannot download music on the band itself. The music here, it means the band can control your music on your phone. So if you are playing song in your phone, you can just make next song or previous song, and you can stop the music. You can also control the volume. So this all from the band here. And this remote shutter, it needs Huawei phone. In order to use this remote shutter, you should have Huawei phone. This means if you will open the camera in your phone from far away, you can just press this remote shutter and the picture will be taken from your phone. And for sure notifications here, so the Band 7 can receive your notification from WhatsApp, Messenger, whatever, and all will be saved here. But the thing is, you cannot reply your message from here, so you will just be viewing your messages. Plus also the weather, you can set your city, whatever, it will show in the watch itself, and you have stopwatch, timer, and alarm, plus also flashlight and find my phone. And if you check the settings here, so the watch faces, you can't change the watch faces. You will be having like almost 10 watch faces saved on the band itself, but on the application you have more than 10,000 watch faces you can change between them. And for sure you have here the always on display, so once you activate it, so you can have always on display, so you don't need to raise your wrist. There is two options for sure. If you activate raise your wrist, so it will save more power, but the always on display, it gives you the screen always on, and it will drain more battery, so the battery will not last the same as if you are activating raise to see the watch. Plus also you can customize the cards. If you want to make the SpO2 first, the heart rate down, so you can adjust all of this. And for display and brightness also, you can adjust the brightness, you can make it automatically, and you can set a time to reduce the light automatically in the night. So all of this function, guys, you can adjust and customize in the band 8, as you can see. So the main thing, or the main difference here, so as we see here, this is the band 7 on my right and band 8 on my left. As we mentioned that it's totally different in terms of shape. So the shape in band 8 is more sharp, and band 7 more curved, but the size is almost the same. There is no big difference. And if we'll talk about the brightness, so we can see that it's band 8 is a little bit more bright, and the colors are a little bit sharp comparing to the band 7. And if we will check here the software, so for example in band 8, once I swipe from up, once I swipe from up here, and this is the band 7, so you can see a little bit different in band 8 and band 7. So in band 7, only 4 icons here. You can control screen on for 5 minutes, and don't disturb, and alarm, and also find my phone. But for the band 8 here, you have more options, the timer, stopwatch, and also alarm, and also you can activate the screen for 5 minutes. Plus you have flashlight, you have settings, you have also brightness control. You can control the brightness from here. Plus also you have find my phone, sleep, and don't disturb. So comparing to the band 7, you have more option on the control panel from the top here, as you can see. But apart from that, it's exactly the same. If we'll talk about the battery life, which is 14 days for both band 7 and band 8. And also the notifications, as you can see, if you swipe from down, you can see notification, same as band 7. So the only difference, as we mentioned, that even the strap here, we can say, so the strap in band 8, you need to press here in order to remove the strap, but in band 7 you need to unlock this piece, so you will get the strap out of the band. So both are easy to remove and install again, but I think for band 8 is more easy and similar to the watch fit, and for sure you will get more extra straps for the band 8 as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and if just like it also, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, you can just drop your comment in the comment section below. I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.